Hello everyone, how are you? Today we'll solve March exam this year 2024. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Letter E. 3x power negative 1, it will be 3 reduced by 1 over x. The result will be 3 over x. 3 over x. Question letter B. We can write this number in standard form. 6,000 reduced by 50. We know the result will be what? Right, 4 zeros, and 5 times 6 equals 30. Then the result will be 300,000. Write 3 reduced by 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write this number in the standard form. He won't choose the result here. It will be what? 30 reduced by 10 power 4. You can write 30 reduced by 10 power 4. You choose letter B. Okay, because 10 power 4, it's meaning we have 4 zeros and we have 1 zero here, then we will have 5 zeros. But in this image we call it standard form. Here you don't write here in the standard form, but he write this number in the equivalent. He wants the equivalent result to be 30 times 10 power 4. It's equivalent. Okay, next question letter C. We have negative 2 over 3 all power negative 3. This power we can write the inverse of this function, reciprocal about this. It will be 3 over 2 and write negative outside. Okay, write reciprocal and then write negative 3 power 3, it will be 27, and 2 power 3, it will be 8. The result will be negative 27 over 8. Question here, find the results following in standard form. We have 2.9 reduced by 10 power 4 plus 4.2 reduced by 10 power 5. We can write the head common factor between them, 10 power 4 outside, and the remainder here 2.9 plus. Divided this number by 10 power 4, it will be 4.2 reduced by 10. This is the remainder. Okay, because 10 power 5 divided by 10 power 4, it will be 10. And then write 10 power 4 reduced by sum of two numbers, 2.9 plus 4.2 times 10, it will be 42. And then you can eat them. 42 plus 2.5, it will be 44.9 reduced by 10 power 4. Replaced this number. Okay, and this number we can convert it to this image to the standard form by move the point left hand side by one place. Write 4.49 reduced by 10 power 1, because we moved here the point left hand side by one place, then the sign here will be positive. And then you can find the result in the simplest form by 8 to power 3 here. Okay, write 4.49 reduced by 10 power 5. Okay, it's the result about this example. Next question, geometric. Letter A. The measure of the exterior angle of equilateral triangle, it will be 120 degree. We have equilateral triangle, outside angle, it was 120 degree. Question letter B. The parallelogram whose diagonals equal a length and perpendicular, we called it what? He asked about diagonals equal a lengths and perpendicular in square. Square, two diagonals perpendicular and vice each other and equal lengths, we can write in square. Okay, choose square. Question letter C. The quadrilateral with only two opposite parallel sides are called trapezium. The trapezium has only two sides both parallel. Next question. Answer the following. We have here parallelogram, and you want to find the measure of angle of C and the parameter of parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Look at here about this trapezoid, this parallelogram. The properties about parallelogram: each of the sides are equal lengths and parallel. We have here it's a parallelogram. Okay, he give us the side length was 4 centimeter, and here 4 centimeter, and it was 7 centimeters. They are parallel, and this angle 100 degree, and we have A, B, C, and D. You want to find the measure of angle C. We have parallelogram such that ABCD is a parallelogram. Then measure of angle B plus measure of angle C was 180 degree, corresponding here angles. Then sum of them was 180. So the measure of angle C will be 180 subtract by 100, it will be 80 degrees. It's about parallelogram. Each adjacent angles are supplementary angles, some of them 180 degree. We called it supplementary angles. Some of them B plus C equal 180 degree. Then the measure of angle C, it will be 80 degree, and then we can find the parameter. It will be 4 plus 7, the plus 2 adjacent side reduced by 2, 11 times 2 equal 22 centimeter. Understood? Again, we have here parallelogram. The properties of parallelogram: each two opposite sides are equal in lengths, and each two opposite angles are equal in measure. Measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal 180. We called it supplementary angles. Some of them equal 180. Then some measure of angle C 100 subtract by 100 equal 80 degree, and the parameter of parallelogram equal the sum of two adjacent side product by 2. 4 plus 7 equal 11 times 2 equal 22 centimeter.